Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stereo Junction, and in this video we are going to solve example 1 of chapter pair of linear equations in two variables for class 10. So let's see the example. It says that let us take the example of section 3.1. Akhil goes to a fair with rupees 20 and wants to have rides on the giant wheel and play hoopla. So he has a total of rupees 20 and he goes to a fair in order to have a ride on giant wheel and hoopla. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So for this representation we need to read the section 3.1. So I've already mentioned the points from there. The number of times she played hoopla is half the number of rides she had on giant wheel. So this would be our first equation. And secondly, if each ride costs rupees 3 and a game of hoopla costs rupees 4, dash dash dash, she has a total of rupees 20. So let's form the pair of linear equations. So first pair, let's form it from here. So if each ride costs rupees 3 and a game of hoopla costs rupees 4. So first of all, let's suppose let the cost of hoopla be x, right? And for that other ride dash dash be y, you can write. So if each ride cost rupees 3, so 3y plus other is x. So game of hoopla, it costs rupees 4. So and the total money he has is 20. So this is the first equation. And secondly, the number of times she played hoopla. So this is not the cost, number of times. Let the number of times, because she played hoopla and the number of times she had the giant wheel, right? So number of times she played hoopla, that is x, right? X is equal to half the number of rides she had on giant wheel. So half the number of times, that is y. So this is our second equation. Now let's say that this is 2x is equal to y, so we can write it as y minus 2x, right? We can take it over here, is equal to 0. So let's say this is our second equation, not that one. So these are our two equations, and we can say that y would be equal to 2x, and then we can put y in our equation number 1, right? So put y in equation 1, so that would be 3. In bracket you can write 2x plus 4x is equal to 20. So 3 2s are 6x plus 4x is equal to 20, and 10x is equal to 20, and x is equal to 20 by 10, that is 2. So number of times she played hoopla is 2, and the number of times she did that other game giant wheel, that would be y is equal to 2 into 2, 4, right? So basically we didn't have to find that this part, but for other ways, if you are to find values of x and y, then you can follow this method. So algebraically until this part only, and graphically now you can put the various solutions in, like in y you can put 0, and then 2x you would also get 0. So in that we can plot the graph. So this was the solution of your example 1. I would see you all with the next example solutions. Thank you for watching this video.